Alright, what up, YouTube? I ain't recorded in a minute, but I got some content for y'all. Y'all can see I done took my front splitter chain off. I was racing in the car and the chain started coming loose, so I just ended up taking it all the way off. But today's video is I'm gonna give y'all an update on my baby girl 250 so far. So I'm gonna show y'all what we done so far, what I'm about to install. I'm gonna tell y'all crazy stuff. This is the second time we go to split. We had less than 24 hours and raced me and it flew off. So I had to buy another one. So you better start that one. But I'm gonna show y'all the diffuser and everything we put on like 2 days ago. And y'all gonna be on this journey with me. And I'll catch y'all in a little bit. But make sure like, comment, subscribe. We got post notifications on the journey to pack boy builds and content. I think I got my stick. If I don't, I'm gonna try to find a way. I'm gonna set y'all up. Like, you watch me put this spoiler on. I'm gonna show y'all the end result. I'm gonna show y'all her reaction if she wanna get on camera. See so far? That's my first time wiring the lights up. So now, as y'all know, I got the 2014 SFT diffuser. And y'all know I got a light on mine. So I'm gonna try to wire mine up, or I'm gonna end up buying a new one. And I need to fix mine. Mine kind of, y'all know, but y'all know the 300. I see it. I'm gonna show y'all the front. Y'all see? I'm just taking it off. And hers is it's in the box, but it just came. So that's how I'm gonna see. We did the wheels yellow with the black. Carbon fiber. It's a carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber, you know, water tip. So that's so far what we done with this car. As y'all can see, sitting here, so I'm finna take it out and show y'all this one. We're gonna be on time so y'all can see. I don't got no hold of it, you know. Y'all can see. So let me check out the video. See everything play off each other. See it's all carbon fiber. Trying to see this better. You everything. That's how I look. So I can see it. Before y'all, yeah, already in with all the doors so it can be flushed all the way around. So that's taken care of. As y'all can see, it's all the same. All the carbon fiber pieces, all the same. All the same so far. So yeah, so I turn it back on once I get the whole pieces probably set up. But yeah, so we already bought one of these. We're about 24 hours. So we got to go to she's on and go ahead and car. So we back on this again. We're going to put it back on the before out of the port. So we had a few to review. Now that if you're there, pretty much see how you know special box. This time, give it a more secure. So still get a little this time. Because I'll be trying to do on the first time I did. I was different. This one different. Yeah, we thought my car. So that one. We don't really like both. So that's what you're going to just chain of it together. So, yep. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put on. Try to set y'all up if I can. I'm gonna install it and then show y'all the before and after of it. So I can see this is the before everything. So this is how I look now. And we about to let's see the finished product. B decided to come out. See, I'm just putting a tag on. And just put, I got you. I'm about to show y'all how it look. Let me put this jack down. As y'all can see, that's how she look now. Babe, you not even got it in the hole.
Man, this stuff is too small.
I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Look at this. Appreciate y'all for tuning in to the channel. Give y'all a little something for the comeback of the YouTube. I'm trying to, get more content on updates on the things we doing with the cars. So I can see. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification on. And join the team, Packboy Dealers, and car content.